Oh, okay. Good morning, everyone. This is Michael Venezia, the head trader at TradeView Markets. We have Friday morning, September 17th. We're late, uh, 11:20 a.m. I'll make it up to you. 3.4 trillion of equity that just came across my feed. 3.4 trillion of equity options expired today via Goldman Sachs at Bloomberg TV. Let me share that to you in a second. That's what just came across on my screen. I found that interesting right here. That's amazing. Anyway, let's go back. Let's get back to the routine. I don't want to get too far out of it. Okay, let's go. All right, so let's log into TradeGate Hub. It's the same for everybody. It's the same for myself. It's the same for you. The process is easy. Boom. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Coach. As you see here, good morning, Michael. See you next Tuesday. Good AM, Coach. Trade well. Coach and I are going to do a webinar Tuesday morning, 9:30 a.m. Yes, I'm going to forego the open. I'll forego any open to have an opportunity to teach with the coach. It's also, I'm not a day trader anymore, so I'm not really micromanaging my positions. And I've said it a couple of times before, you really want good positions to work, don't watch them. So I have good positions. I have some bad ones too, but I let the winners run, and I get out of the loser. So here we are coming into Friday. As I said at the beginning, it's a heavy witching expiration for quad witch. Here we go. Good morning, as usual. Sign on and listen to Michael Santoli. Tactical sentiment yesterday. The day before we came in and issued a buy signal. We had a nice rally yesterday. Actually, we came back down a little bit. I thought we were still a little bit oversold, but now we're definitely oversold as the market right now is down. Well, the Dow's down 128. I'm looking at the television. NASDAQ seems to be a lot weaker. I see Microsoft going by 4. What else? NASDAQ's down at 0.8%. All right. Anyway, okay. So we came in. We're probably down here now. We're issuing your buy signal, but granted, it's a Friday. Last Friday, if you remember, they collapsed into the close. And I said, you don't want to sell that watershed close. Monday morning, we opened up. I wish maybe I can go back here and look at that again. That's why I post in this room predominantly. I don't post a lot of conversation because I want to go back and look at all the things that I posted or leave things for you guys to watch and look at and review from the week before. Bear with me. It's worth it. What's today? 4 days ago. It doesn't go back that far. Regardless, trust me. The same thing happened last Friday. Now, I'm not saying the same thing is going to happen this Friday and open up on Monday, but definitely with that buy signal down there, I'd be looking to buy some. Well, you know what? Maybe cover your shorts, depending on which way you want the market to go. But definitely, this is an area where you want to either dip your toe into something or take off your shorts. Not all your positions, not your literal shorts. That wouldn't be right. Anyway, call activity. Bull and bear indicator actually got more bullish, which means you're a little bit bearish. We were over here beginning of the week. Hedge fund equity exposure. This has been bullish all week. Hedge funds have been selling, which means there's cash on the sidelines. The last couple of days, as you can see, we bounced a little bit. They put money to work. Just like right here, they put money to work. So that's a little bit bearish. There's still a lot of money to be put to work, but that's why we sold off a little bit. Forward client flows of Bank of America get in there. Largest inflow of the tech sector since March of 2021. Bearish. Everybody's in the pool now. We had to have a little bit of a rest. Walter Bloomberg, I always post the upgrades and downgrades. Jim Craner, finest FIS is a name to focus on. Economic calendar, yesterday's movers. I mean, like I said before, and I'm not going to apologize for being redundant. This is the list. This is the menu. Large, big gainers with large range. OPED had a 58% gain, traded 100 million shares, closed near the high on 2,400%. Same with, listen, you don't want to, you might be paying up a little bit. It's a good active stock. You want to, the stock like this on a big cap stock, you want to say like CAR was good. CAR actually worked. Asan worked. S worked. Nugget worked. JIUJ worked. FCX opened out 2 today. The metals and the mining and the Rios, they worked. Billy opened up the Chinese stocks. Here I go. Largest range. I put the range in numerical order. Relative volume, right here, numerical order. Big poppers, percentage order, all above the SMAs. In order, ASN looks to be the most overbought. SM was second. SM sold off. ASN still strong. So once again, I post these every morning. Here are the movers. ABCL, SDC was up 47 cents on 1.2 million. That was a key right there. The stock hit 720 in the morning. BLI reversed, but it's an active trading stock. Lucid was up $1.20, was up 3. What else do we have? Lithium, BLI, Billy. ZI was upgraded. No, the guy was a little late on that one. So anyway, this is what I do to help set the table. So let's go to let me change screens, go to my Twitter feed. Where do we sit right now on Friday at the end of an expiration? Let's go to my Twitter feed. Like I said before, my Twitter feed is quality, not quantity. I follow 35 people, listen to them. I get everybody from futures, AlgoBot News, which by the way, AlgoBot News is what's in our Wall Street feed. We copy that. Semi. Okay, so look at Semi, that's in play. Let's also go to, let's get to the action. Now I'm going to go, hold on. I could go right here. New York stocks. Let's go to top US losers, percentage, PTGG. Let's go to PTGX and SPRT. Top list. Well, you know what? Someone's in this thing. I think one of my team members is in it, but that's okay. So let's go to change it to close. IRNT's there. I don't know whether PTGJ, whatever it is. X is near the uranium stocks finally giving it up. Okay. URNM with CCJ, the leader. CCJ must not be down that much. That's surprising. Where is it? AMC down, Akamai down, TTQ, triple Q's near the low, no volume. What a reversal there, down 3 now, was up 2. X, Law, Uranium. I don't know what this CCJ is. That means they might be ready for a bounce if the best of breed is not down that much. Let's look at big poppers. Let's look at near the high going into here. BGRY, 800,000 shares traded, no interest. Sear, what's got volume that we like? Joby, 56 cents. It's a big deal. ARQQ. You don't want to be wrong there. Root, a squeeze stock, a Wall Street bet stock, FLGC. I kind of like. What's near the low? Let's go to biggest losers with large range. What has good volume? Right now it's DTE, no interest. CDNS, $163 stock, down 4. I have an interest if it's down 10, not down 4. What's the lowest? You know what? This is a new feature we've been working on right here. Volume in the last 10 minutes. So Volta just came in 3% on a lot of volume and it's near the low. But if something comes in with good volume and it's near the high, like Snap, just came with some decent volume, was just up 0.5% near the high. I like the volume to be more, but I like it. The chart looks good. Lows, I like lows. I think lows are buy here, by the way. RNG, what's near the high? You know, let's go to the sexy page. Let's get to something sexy on Friday. Wow. AN, AutoNation, strong. What's Semi, BGRY, and AutoNation. Carvis, nothing good. SPIR, strong. CNC, new daily high. I posted that before. SDC, how you doing? PTGX, there it is, that we had on before. Hold on a second, if you will. I got to check something. I'm getting a lot of pings or texts, if you will. That CNC doesn't look bad. Let me see. Pardon. Okay. Give me a second, please. All right. Okay, so what are we going to do? Okay, so it's quad witch. It's 11:30. the market's had a nice move, and I'm just trying to come up with a plan. ABC, ABC. Listen, these IPOs are moving. I posted in the room, and I really listen. I want to see how the market closes. You know what? They're going to have I have too many windows open. There's going to be a lot of prints. There's going to be a lot of funky situations going on. So price is tantamount, not how the stock is doing. If you have to list of stocks you want to have and get in predicated upon price, no matter what the types of moves are. So let's go again. Let's go back to my Twitter feed. What's moving right now? BTU, nothing. Put call ratios, nothing. Beyond Meat, bullish. IVC popping. SPY bearish. Abbott, false positive results. Ooh, that's bad news. Abbott. All right, we got to write that down. That might be a midday mover with fundamental news. The best trades out there are stocks that have fundamental news and intraday news and moves. Yeah, that was that might be a bit. Planeteer acting well. Let's look at my down 10 minutes. Abbott Lab should be here. Let's see if it's working correctly, if it will. If it's not, top list. No, that's the top list. No, this will be upon bearish strategies right here. Not there yet. Abbott might be up there. Spear in the high CNC. ABEV, Hexo, work WKSP, BGRY, turbo breakup. That I have an interest in. 5 times volume, 1 million shares traded. RGS, I might have an interest in. So I write these down or I put them on my screen. FUV, turbo breakup. The market's bouncing. Turbo breakdown, STC, that's bad. Okay, so I'm going to be posting more on TGH. I don't think I'm going to be that active. I'm going to let the quad witches settle where they are. And you know what I mean? I'm just going to, volume really doesn't mean that much because it's skewed. The more obscure stocks, volume is more tantamount because there's not a lot of option activity predicated upon gamma, how the gamma is doing. So I'm going to sign off here at 11:41. We're a little late. I'm probably going to put more pertinent material or something that we could all use going into the weekend. So until then, have a plan, and we'll see you back after lunch. Have a good day.